Hi, in this video we are going to see the job vacancies notifications for any graduates as well as any postgraduates, and you may work from home or else work from the office itself. The total 935 vacancies are there, and while coming to the salary we are going to get 4.75 lakhs per annum, and out of this one the 4 lakhs per annum is a fixed one and the 75,000 is a variable one. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues with any graduation or any post graduation. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. Apart from this one, whatever the job recruitment notifications you are looking for, so please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your qualification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as an immediate notification, then you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending a lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is the paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is I'm going to show you the careers at the Byju's, guys, and here you may check down. If you scroll down, I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. So here the last three, that is business development associate as well as the academic specialist and the one more business development associate. Fine. So in these three different types of designations, any graduates or else any postgraduates can apply for this one. And the experience is also not required. So you may check down the zero experience candidates. That means the freshers also can apply for these positions. And the 386 here, 268 and the 281. So the total number of vacancies are above the 900. We will see one by one. So first, business development associate for recruitment team only. Here you may check down. All of you may know that Byju's is the world's most valuable edtech company and the creator of India's most loved school learning app. And here, while coming to the qualification, should be graduate. Any graduate is okay, or else the postgraduate is also okay. Should be passionate about the sales, and the bonus and other benefits is also given here. So I will zoom it and then make you clear. See guys, you can earn up to 3 lakhs in your incentives. 300 best performance for each quarter, that is every 3 months, are taken on a 5 days fully paid international trip. And you will have the weekly targets to achieve. So you have to achieve those targets. And this is a high performance job for someone who wants to make it large and take the big risk. Okay. And things which will make you immediate standout means effective communication, quick witness, and should be high energetic and enthusiastic. Must have keen interest in education and mentoring the students, and a prior experience in sales and business development is an add-on. So good interpersonal and the presentation skills must be there. Fine. So these are the things, guys, but you have to reach the targets. Okay, if you did not reach the targets, then there is no guarantee for your job. Okay, and coming to the next one, the academic specialist for the Byju's classes. So here you may check down. A virtual interview will be scheduled within 7 to 8 working days after the form is filled out. So further details regarding the interview will be communicated once we receive a response. That means a virtual interview means through online interview only. That means you can attend the interview by sitting in your home itself. The roles and responsibilities are given. Conducting the online audio or video classes and clarifying the doubts, creating a positive learning environment for our students in grades 4 to 10 on our learning platform, and providing the error-free step-by-step solutions, and helping students to strengthen their understand the concepts of science and mathematics subjects. The work location is Bangalore. Work from home is there currently, but if the notice came, then you have to go to the office. And the employment type is full-time compensation, and here the salary is also mentioned, 4.75 lakhs per annum. And an ideal candidate should have the passionate in teaching and a strong subject strong knowledge in the science as well as the mathematics of grades 4 to 10, and communication skills, verbal and written, and camera facing skills must be there, and theoretical knowledge to the practical applications, fine. So all these things must be there. And coming to the next one is also business associate position, so that one also we will check down. So for this one also the freshers can apply. So must have the requirement, should be a graduate and should be a passionate about the sales. So same, you can earn up to 3 lakhs as our incentives, and 300 best performance for each every quarter will be selected, and they will be sent to international trip, fully paid international trip for 5 days guys, and weekly targets will be there. So you have to reach those weekly targets. And coming to the skills, same, effective communication and hierarchistic and enthusiastic, must have the keen interest in education and mentoring the students, prior experience in sales and business, and good interpersonal and presentation skills, fine. So total these are the 3 different categories are there. So one is for recruitment team, the business development associate required, and another one is a normal business development associate, and next one is the academic specialist, fine. So here the virtual interview will be there, and the work from home will be there until getting the notice. If once the notice is came, then you have to go to the office. And if you are planning to apply for these positions, then be prepared that you must be ready to reach the targets mentioned by the company. Okay, whatever the sales or else whatever the target they are providing to you, weekly targets. So if you consistently, if you are not approaching the weekly targets, then there is no guarantee for your job. By keeping in mind, and if you can able to good communication skills, and if you are very challenging about in the sales means, you can proceed to apply for this business development associate positions. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues, and whatever the job requirement you are looking for apart from this one, mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as immediate notification, then you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video guys, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle, fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course guys for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else the what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now, So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current course are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.